In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your verification codes not getting received. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by opening up the settings app on your device, and what you're going to want to do down at the very bottom is just search for messages just like so and open up the messages setting. From here, scroll down until you see this unknown sender section right here, and what you're going to want to do is actually turn off screen unknown senders and filter spam. On top of that, if you scroll down just a little bit more, you're going to see an option for block contacts. Select this and just review the numbers in here and just make sure whoever's trying to send you that verification number is unblocked. Usually this is going to be like a short looking number, but from here, open up your normal messages app again to check to see if those codes are waiting. You can also swipe down from the top to open up your notification center right here. And if you're still not getting it, swipe down from that control center again, toggle airplane mode on, and then toggle it off. And then finally, just make sure your correct number is entered into that app or website and fix any typos that you might need and request a new code. But that is it. Codes should now be coming through. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.